Hey, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ManyChat to possibly increase your engagement on Instagram by 40%. This is a very simple process, and if you've ever followed somebody or you know of an influencer who's always talking about their recipes or instructions on how to do something, and they ask you to comment the word to get their favorite summer salad recipe or whatever it may be, and when you comment the word, they send you a DM as well as respond to your comment, and you know it's automated because it happens within seconds. And so I'm going to show you exactly how to do this for your account. It's very simple. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, it's very simple to set up your Instagram and set up this automation feature. So let's dive into it. As you see here, we're going to start on the main home page. And once you see the main home page, it's going to say hello Bo or hello whatever your name is. And if you see over here on the far left underneath home, you're going to go to automation. From here, you probably won't see any automation set up unless you've done this before. So if you're just starting fresh and this is your first automation that you've done through ManyChat, you're going to go up here to the top right to new automation. Okay, so the one that we're going to want to do is the auto DM links from comments. Okay, so this means that I comment on your video because you said comment the word link and you're going to send me some kind of link, right? So I'm going to go to this one here, and this is how we're going to set it up, and we're going to set it up together. So at the very far left, we're going to select one of our most recent posts or reels. Okay, so there's one right here that I recently made about Adam Mosery talking about how they just cut hashtags from 30 to 3 or 5 depending on what type of account you have, or how it's rolling out to you. So I'm going to select this one here. And this is a specific post. You could actually select any post or reel or your next post or reel, but for this one, I'm going to select a specific one. When you come down here, reply to their comments under the post, right? So we want that. We want to be able to reply directly to their comment. This boosts engagement and increases it in future uses and stuff. So these are the 3 options that it's going to give us. And so when somebody leaves a comment here, this is how it's going to respond. Very cool, very easy to set up. Right here, or when they DM you or reply to your story, we can have both of these options here. But I'm going to skip that step for now, and this comment or DM has whatever you gave them. Okay, so when somebody comments the word, let's say it's recipe, recipe or recipe, I always put in uppercase and lowercase, and so we can have that. So we have the 2 recipe if I'm going to be sending you a recipe of my summer salad or whatever that may be, but this is just an example. For here, this is going to be the opening DM. Hey there, I'm so happy you're here. Thanks so much for your interest. Click below and I'll send you the link in just a sec, right? So then it says, send me the link. And this is what it'll kind of look like. Here's the message. Hey there, I'm so happy you're here. Thanks so much for your interest. And then they'll select, send me the link, boom, right? Then they will get, this is what this part will look like. This will be like summer salad recipe. And then here you'll hit add link. You'll say, click here for recipe, and then you'll paste the link. So I'll just put my company's link, save, whoops. So right here, it has to be a maximum of 20 characters. So I'll just say, click here. Right, summer salad recipe, click here. Once they click there, then they will receive the recipe or the instructions or whatever you decided to send them in that particular video for commenting on your post, right? So this will increase your engagement because it tells people exactly what they'll get and exactly how to get it. So if this video is helpful for you in any way, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I have a lot of other videos that you can check out, including this one right here that shows you how to set up the automation through ManyChat to be able to say hello and send a little message to anybody who follows you on Instagram right when they follow you. So make sure you click this video right here to check that out, and we'll see you on the next one.